Hey, this is Vanessa, and today I'm going to be talking about the Hask Keratin Oil Smoothing Shine Hair Oil. So this is an oil that is to soften and renew your hair. I use this when I am going to straighten my hair or curl my hair because it doesn't make my hair feel really greasy or oily. It's almost more like a serum type of thing, I feel like, and it smells so amazing. This is a pretty small bottle. It comes in a small bottle. To compare, this is a coffee mug. I'll give you like a standard size coffee mug, and it's about as tall as the coffee mug. That's just the cap there, so it's pretty small, but let me tell you, this lasts. Like, this one bottle lasts like an entire month, which is insane. Like, I feel like I use like a ton of product, and then when I bring it back to like right side up and I look inside the bottle, it looks like I haven't used any at all. I've probably used this like 6 times, and I have a ton of hair, so I use quite a bit of product when I use it. So this lasts a while, and it's amazing. I usually, because it is small though, and because it's pretty inexpensive, I will stock up and I'll buy like a few bottles at once, and then I'm set for like months. So this product, it has all of your like ingredients listed on the back, and yeah, it's just a pretty great product. It's made in the USA. I really love this brand, Hask. I think it's a really good brand, and I love their keratin collection. So their shampoo, they have a lot of different stuff in within the keratin collection. I tend to use this, and then also a blowout balm. It's just a little pop cap that you take off. It's pretty easy to take off. This does not come sealed when you buy it, which, I don't know, I tend to really not like that. I really like it when a product is completely sealed when I buy it, but I mean, you can see through the bottle though, so you can see if it's like how much product you're getting. So like if someone used it or whatever in the store. So I guess there's that. It is, this little tube is, you can recycle it, and then it has like a little peel here, so it has more information on the inside panel. So if we can get that up, you can see what other info it has, if it does have any. So here you'll find directions on how to use it. It says that it can be used on both wet and dry hair to create a silky smooth finish. Just apply a coin-sized amount evenly throughout hair, avoiding the root area, and style as desired. And then it has it in other languages, as most products do. I do use it on both wet and dry hair. I use it right after I wash my hair and before I blow dry and straighten it. And then sometimes, like if I just need to touch my hair up in the middle of the week, I will also apply a little bit. When I apply it after washing my hair, I tend to use more than just a dime-sized amount or a coin-sized amount because I have a lot of hair, but even then it still lasts a while. So if you don't have super thick curly hair, you could probably get away with using even less, and it'll last you even longer. Yeah, and the other thing is that it smells like absolute heaven. It has kind of like a fruity smell to it. It just smells so good, and if I use this before I straighten my hair, like my hair will still smell like that even after straightening my hair. And like I said, I don't know if I said it actually, but I have super thick, curly, frizzy hair, and so like my heat products, like my straightener and my curling iron, I use them on almost the hottest setting you can get, which is like 450 degrees on the products I have. And I use it, sometimes I'll use it at 450, sometimes a little less. So that means that after I do my hair, it does not smell very good, usually. But with this product, it still smells so good. And if on the off chance it doesn't, all I have to do is apply it like a tiny bit, like less than a dime-sized amount, to my hair once it's already straight, and it'll smell absolutely divine. So yeah, this definitely smooths my hair. It makes my hair so shiny and so soft. It does not leave my hair feeling oily or greasy at all. It's just really great. It comes with a lot of information about it. It has a little caution warning, nothing crazy. It just says to avoid contact with eyes, It's for external use only, so keep out of reach of children. It's just your typical warnings. Nothing insane. It says that it has your ingredients in it on there listed, which I'm not going to read off because I cannot pronounce like 99% of those. It is a 5/8 fluid ounce bottle, so it's great for traveling. You can stick it in your carry-on bag and it'll make it safely through TSA. I will say that if you are going to travel, I would definitely get like a little... I haven't had issues with this opening, but sometimes it does scare me just because it's not twist cap. Like you don't hear a snap or anything like that. So I would get like just a tiny piece of like saran wrap or something, and then just like put it right over that and then put the lid over it so that you make sure it doesn't spill. That's like my only thing with traveling with it, is that it scares me a little bit, because if this spills, it's like an oil or a serum, so that's going to be like awful to clean up. Besides the fact that you also just lost a ton of product. So yeah, this is a really great product. I would recommend it to anyone. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.